Hey, thank you for visiting Z Vlogs Official. In today's video, we are going to discuss about healthy relationships. Now, healthy relationships share a certain characteristics that teens should be taught during their young age. There are a few points to be always noted during a healthy relationships. So let's check it out. Mutual respect. Respect means that each person values the other and understands the other person's boundaries. Trust. Partners should place trust in each other and give each other the benefit of the doubt. Honesty. Honesty builds trust and strengthens the relationship. Compromise. In a dating relationship, each other does not always get his or her way. Each should acknowledge different points of view and willing to give and take. Individuality. Neither partner should have to compromise who he or she is, or his or her identity should not be based on partners. Each should continue seeing his or her friends and doing the things he or she loves. Each should be supportive of his or her parents, wanting to pursue new hobbies or make new friends. Good communication. Each partner should speak honestly and openly to avoid miscommunications. If one person needs to sort out his or her feelings, the other partner should respect those wishes and wait until he or she is ready to talk. Anger control. We all get angry, you, me, everyone. But how we express it can affect our relationships with others. Anger can be handled in a healthy way, such as taking a deep breath, counting to 10, or taking it out. Fighting fair. Everyone argues at some point of time, but those who are fair stick to the subject and avoid insults are more likely to come up with the possible solutions. Partners should take a short break away from each other if the discussion gets too heated. Problem solving. Dating partners can learn to solve problems and identify new solutions by breaking a problem into small parts or by taking through the situation. Understanding. Each partner should take time to understand what the other might be feeling. Self-confidence. When dating partners have confidence in themselves, it can help their relationships with others. It shows that they are calm and comfortable enough to allow others to express their opinions without forcing their own opinions on them. Being a role model. By embodying what respect means, partners can inspire each other, friends and family to also behave in a respectful way. Healthy sexual relationship. Dating partners engage in a sexual relationship that both are comfortable with, and neither partner feels pressured or forced to engage in any sexual activity that is outside his or her comfort zone or without consent. So these are the few tips of having a very healthy relationships. I wish you, your partner, a very healthy relationship. I will see you soon.